Hello and welcome to this video about the Marantz CD-99DR Transport. You're not going to see one like that very often, and certainly not in that condition. This is basically like new from a collector in Perth who has probably as many CD players as I do. This is similar in as far as mechanism is concerned with to a lot of other Marantz like 94, 95s, 85s. I've done a service, as you can see, the blue belts from Nano people in Germany. I think Din Dicky is the side you can get them, and they give you all sorts of things. They send you oils and I don't know where they are now, but oils and greases and stuff. They're not cheap. You see, they're the other two. They're not cheap, but indeed they are very, very nice, and apparently they say they will never deteriorate. As you can see, this is not even a CD player, it's only a transport. It has so it has a single transformer encased in Faraday cage, and there is a varistor there to protect from surges. Not much as far as filtering there on the input, but the power supply is here. You know, it's not there, it's here. This is what all the regulators are, and capacitors, and as you see, 3 different fuses. Very nice board. I think the people who know more about it, but it looks like could be even a glass board, but I'll welcome any input into that. But it's obviously the highest quality one you can get, and that there you cannot normally see because, let me tell you, show you, because it's all covered in those copper Faraday cage, in those pieces of metal, so they sit all over there. But since I got it off, might as well show you what's inside. The rest of the controls are, as in a lot of other Marantzes, in here, and you have all the things you normally find in them, and of course those beautiful Marantz backlighted buttons. Overall, a pretty thing in pristine condition. Well, that's about all, and thank you very much. Till the next